Make better decisions for a better life. Most people struggle when making decisions about productivity and life choices. If that sounds like you, then this video is for you. For years, these simple yet powerful rules have helped people navigate tough situations, maximize their time, and get ahead. Today, we're sharing them with you. Grab a notebook and take notes. You'll want to apply these starting today. Once you have the right tools, you'll be ready to take control of your life. Keep watching, because these rules could change the way you think and act every single day. 1. The 100 to 10 to 3 to 1 rule. This is a real estate investment rule, but the concept applies to many areas of life. Here's how it works. You look at 100 options. You narrow them down to 10 solid choices. You make offers on 3 of them. You land one great deal. This rule helps you focus on quality instead of rushing into bad decisions. Whether it's choosing investments, job opportunities, or even business deals, applying this method increases your chances of success. The key takeaway? Be selective and strategic. 2. You cut, I pick. Ever seen 2 kids fight over the last piece of cake? Try this. One person cuts the cake and the other gets to choose which half they want. This ensures fairness because the cutter knows the other person will pick the better half. This concept applies to business and life. It creates fair deals, keeps things balanced, and ensures both sides get value. The 100-hour rule. If you had 100 hours to invest in self-improvement, the best approach would be to spend most of that time, 80 to 100 hours, on the skills or talents you're already great at. Putting effort into what you're naturally good at helps you become even better and achieve greater success. On the other hand, spending too much time trying to fix weaknesses can often be a waste of energy. Instead, focus on your strengths and make the most of them. The only exception is if you truly love something. Then do it for passion, not just for efficiency or results. The 10-10-10 rule. When making a decision, take a moment to think about how you will feel in different time frames. Ask yourself, will this choice still feel important in 10 minutes? Will it affect my life in 10 months? Will I even remember it in 10 years? This method helps you see the bigger picture, making small problems seem less overwhelming. It allows you to focus on what truly matters in the long run. By thinking ahead, you can make smarter decisions that benefit your future, rather than just reacting to your current emotions. 5. Win the day with one action. Ever had one of those days where nothing gets done? Here's how to fix that. Pick one action that will make the day a success. It could be sending that important email, making a crucial decision, or finally finishing a task you've been putting off. Start your morning by deciding your win-the-day action and do it. Everything else is extra. 6. The 2-minute rule. If something takes 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. This kills procrastination. Small tasks like replying to a message, fixing a mistake, or organizing your desk take little effort but build momentum. Once you start, you'll find it easier to keep going. 7. The 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule means that a small part of what you do, 20%, leads to most of your results 80%. For example, 20% of your customers may bring in 80% of your income, or 20% of your efforts may create 80% of your success. This rule helps you understand that not all tasks are equally important. To be more successful, find the activities that give you the best results and focus on those. Avoid wasting time on things that don't make a big difference. By working smarter, not harder, you can achieve more with less effort. 8. The left-hand rule. Here's a simple social hack. Always hold your drink in your left hand. Why? Because when you shake hands, your right hand will be dry and warm instead of cold and wet from holding a glass. Small details like this leave a better impression when meeting people. 9. The apology rule. The apology rule means that when you say sorry, it should have 3 important parts. First, admit what you did wrong so the other person knows you understand your mistake. Second, clearly say that you are sorry. Third, explain how you will fix the mistake or do better in the future. A real apology does not include excuses or long explanations. Just take responsibility for what happened. When you apologize sincerely, people will trust and respect you more. This is important in both business and personal relationships because it shows honesty, maturity, and a willingness to improve. 10. The golden rule. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Simple, but powerful. If you want kindness, be kind. If you want honesty, be honest. The energy you put out comes back to you. 11. The money equals time rule. Before buying something, ask yourself, how many hours of work does this cost? If you earn $10 an hour and want to buy a $200 jacket, that's 20 hours of work. Suddenly, that purchase feels different, right? Thinking this way makes you smarter with spending. 12. The odd time rule. If you want people to show up on time, schedule meetings at odd times, like 3:47 instead of 4 o'clock. People pay more attention to specific times and are less likely to be late. Try it and see how it changes punctuality. 13. The 10,000-hour rule to master any skill. Dedicate 10,000 hours to it. That's about 20 hours per week for 10 years. This applies to music, business, sports, anything. If you want to be great, put in the time. 14. The stay poor, be rich. Rule: people who stay rich don't spend like they're rich. The more time you live as if you're broke, saving, investing, and being smart, the wealthier you become. Don't rush into luxury. Let your money work for you first. 15. The coin rule. Struggling with the decision? Flip a coin. The secret isn't in the result, it's in your reaction. When the coin is in the air, you'll realize which side you're hoping for. That's your real answer. Trust your gut. 16. Always do the right thing. At the end of the day, doing the right thing is what truly matters. Every choice, every action, every decision, ask yourself, is this the right thing to do? That simple habit will guide you to success in every area of life. Making better decisions is about having the right strategies. Use these rules to work smarter, reduce stress, and get ahead. That's it for today. If you're ready to start building your wealth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out. Got any money goals or questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Keep going, stay positive, and remember, you're not alone on this journey. This is Profitability Plus, and I'll see you in the next one.